Hi everyone, it's Alex from Risk Academy. This is a very short, very fun video. I just wanted to share kind of my feelings as of today in preparation for the Risk Awareness Week. I think I succeeded and yet I failed with the Risk Awareness Week. But that's not a problem because there's always next year, and I'm very optimistic about what we have in store for 2020. So here's the logic. I created Risk Awareness Week to bring awareness about risk management as a very powerful decision-making tool for the decision makers. And as of today, more than 1,000 people have signed up. And I mean, we're still a month away, more than a month away from the actual conference. So, by the time the conference starts, there will probably close to 3,000 people registered. More than 1,000 people signed up. I mean, technically speaking, that's a pretty good achievement. I mean, that's far beyond my expectations, and I'm very grateful for everyone who signed up. I mean, I've been doing in the background. I've been doing a lot of preparation. I saw some of the presentations, some of the slides that the speakers are doing. I mean, trust me, if you signed up, you will not regret this. I mean, this will be the best risk management event you have ever participated in. Unless you've been to like decision science society events, and they're also amazing, or probability management events are pretty amazing as well. But this is a very broad selection of speakers speaking on different topics under the umbrella of risk management and decision making. So in that sense, that's a huge success. However, I have failed for now. I don't give up, but I failed for now in my main objective, because I wanted to make this event for decision makers. I mean, it's nice that the risk community is kind of up in arms and ready to take in this information and sign up. But I'm seeing who signs up for the conference, and still, majority of the people are risk professionals, which is fine. I'm happy you're with us, and it's very important to be on the same level of understanding. But I think this is kind of ironic, because this is very representative of where we are in terms of risk management right now. Instead of just forwarding the invite to all your decision makers, most of the risk managers are kind of anxious and curious about what Risk Awareness Week has in store, about some of the conversations and some of the workshops that will be done during the week, because they will challenge everything you have in your risk management policy. They will challenge everything that COSA-ERM says. They will challenge even what the ISO 31000 says to a large degree. Most risk managers today are very kind of curious and suspicious of Risk Awareness Week, and they want to watch first before they share. Again, this is fine, because Risk Awareness Week will be available forever. Once you watch it and you feel that this content is actually value, I mean, I know it will be, but you have to be convinced. I mean, don't take my word for it. Watch the session live, and then if you feel this will be valuable for your CFOs, your finance team, your procurement team, your investment team. I mean, I know it will be, because I'll be sending it to all the investment teams I know, and all the finance teams I know, because I mean, some of the sessions completely change how we make investment decisions, how we make budgeting decisions, how we plan, forecast, and even do like basic procurement when it becomes risk-based. So if after you watch the session, if you're convinced that this will be valuable, don't hold on to it. Share it with the rest of your community. Share it with your co-workers, share it with your friends. Help spread the word, because that's the whole idea of risk awareness. I mean, this was not really intended as a risk management conference. It's not about other risk managers teaching risk managers how to better do risk management and decision making. This is about us as risk community joining together and spreading the message to the decision makers, because I mean, for God's sake, how long Are we going to continue pretending that doing budgets using single numbers is okay? How long are we going to pretend that doing sensitivity analysis on an NPV calculation is risk management? It's not. How long are we going to pretend that doing scenarios once a year in the budget is going to protect the company from potential risks? We can do better than that. And luckily, we have the speakers in the workshops that have done it better, and they're sharing their stories. So I get it. You're suspicious. You maybe the world of risk management too is new to you. Maybe you don't yet appreciate how significant the decision science is for the risk profession. Watch the sessions. If you feel it's valuable, don't hold on to it. Don't keep it your little dirty secret. Share it with the rest of the company. That's all I'm asking for, because that's essentially what was the idea behind Risk Awareness Week. I'm loving that there are a lot of people already signed up. I would hope that there would be much more, percentage-wise, there would be much more decision makers compared to the risk professionals. But there's always next year. So I'm not worried. I know Risk Awareness Week is in this for the long haul, and I hope you will be with me. Thank you, and I'll see you in October. Remember, Risk Awareness Week is going live from 14th to 18th of October.